Hey guys, it is Mike, aka
Hey,
Newcombs.
this is Chrissy from Against the Current, and you're watching my man Mike.
It is Wednesday, the 18th of September 2019. It was going to be Mewtwo Raid Hour, but there's been issues in the game with the raids. The raid hour in the New Zealand area didn't pop up, no raids popped up, and then they all popped up at 7:20 when everyone had gone home because they were tired and it was dark. So they've postponed Mewtwo Raid Hour. However, there is quite a few raids about. I've done 2, maybe 3 Mewtwo raids so far. No, I've just done 2 Mewtwo raids, and I'm heading to 3 more. So here is a little montage of some Mewtwo raids. Enjoy.
It'd be better if we were over in Fiji.
It's just here in the sea.
So,
Well guys, I did about 4 or 5 Mewtwo raids yesterday. I've done 6 raids today, and on the 6th one I finally got Shiny Mewtwo. It's not the best IVs, it's 2 stars out of 3, but you know what, I am really freaking happy. Now I'm going to start heading home as it is 8:35 and I literally finished work about 20 past 3. I've been out shiny hunting, waiting for raids, they all popped up. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead with a shiny and call it quits for the day. So I shall vlog some more when I get home. Actually, whilst I am walking to the train station, I can show you 2 things that I got today that were cool. So, first up, between raids, we went to something that was on the nearby, and I got a Durant, which is one of the 2 new regionals that are like Eastern and Western Hemisphere. So there's Durant, and I can't remember the other one's name, but it's like it's an ant and an ant eater basically. So got Durant. Hopefully here I'll get Heatmore, just remembered it, when I'm in New York next month. Yeah, Durant is in the Pokedex. Also, this morning, in a rush to get the train to work, I gotcha'd a shiny Lillipup. Oh my god! Typical of me gotching it, but do you know what? I'm just thrilled I got one so far. I've only seen about 66, something like 60 something Lillipups, and to have a shiny one already is nuts. Right. Now, I'm going to head home. Well guys, I've been home for a little while. Something really funny has just happened. So earlier on, at a raid, or just after a raid, my friend Rob was there and we were lucky friends in Pokemon Go. He had a spare Mr. Mime shiny, I had a spare Kangaskhan shiny. So we did a trade. We both got 98%. So I have a 98% lucky, shiny Mr. Mime, right? I did do a screen recording, but it failed. Yay, Apple. Anyways, I've just had an egg hatch. Just seeing over here. I hatched a Mr. Mime. It's nowhere near as good IVs, so I'm happy with the lucky, shiny one. But I can't believe that I hatched one as literally the same day that I traded for one. Oh well, Mr. Mime is cool. Might trade it to someone else, a friend of mine who needs one. I don't know, I'll think about it. But yeah, hatched a shiny Mr. Mime and caught a shiny Lillipup and caught a shiny Mewtwo. It's 80%. Today has been pretty dang good. I am really tired. It's like 9:45, something ridiculous like that. So, I'm going to finish this here. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments down below if you've got a shiny Mewtwo yet, or what Unova regionals have you got, or what Unova Pokemon have you got so far. And I will see you soon. Bye guys.
Subscribe to New Guns because he's class.